Hello, young mathematicians. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers, your go-to channel for fun and engaging learning. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of math as we explore the topic of subtracting fractions. Before we dive into the world of subtracting fractions, let's refresh our memory about what fractions are. A fraction is like a recipe that tells us how to divide something into equal parts. It has two parts, the numerator and the denominator. Subtracting fractions with the same denominator. When the fractions have the same denominator, subtracting them is easy. We just subtract the numerators and keep the denominator the same. For example, let's subtract 1/4 from 3/4. 3/4 minus 1/4 equals 2/4. Subtracting fractions with different denominators. When the fractions have different denominators, we need to find a common denominator. A common denominator is a number that both fractions can be divided into evenly. For example, let's subtract 1/2 from 1/4. The common denominator is 4. We can make the first fraction have a denominator of 4 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2. 1/2 times 2/2 is equal to 2/4. Now we can subtract the fractions. 2/4 minus 1/4 equals 1/4. You can also subtract mixed fractions with whole number. Let's subtract 3 from 2 1/2. First simplify 2 1/2. Multiply the whole number 2 by the denominator 2 of the fractional part 1/2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Add the product 4 to the numerator, 1 of the fractional part 1/2. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. The denominator of the simplified fraction remains the same as the original denominator 2. So, the simplified form of 2 1/2 is 5/2. Now we can simply subtract numerators. Now let's solve another example. 7 2/3 minus 5 2/5. We'll perform the operation step by step, following the order of operations. Convert the mixed numbers to fractions. 7 2/3 equals 3 by 7 plus 2/3 equals 23/3. 5 2/5 equals 5 by 5 plus 2/5 equals 27/5. Subtract the simplified fractions. 23/3 minus 27/5. To subtract fractions, we need to find a common denominator. We can make their denominators the same by multiplying both denominators by the opposite fraction of the other denominator. We can convert 23/3 to 75/15 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 5. We can convert 27/5 to 51/15 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 3. Now, the expression becomes 75/15 51/15. Subtracting the numerators, we get 24/15. Simplifying the fraction, we get 8/5. Therefore, 7 2/3 minus 5 2/5 equals 8/5. Congratulations, young mathematicians! You've mastered the art of subtracting fractions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a fraction expert. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers for more exciting math adventures. Until next time, happy learning!